तो गाइस आज की इन दिस वीडियो we are talk about Viber activation fail problem. So guys keep watch and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Viber activation, if you have done a Viber activation but they are showing fail, so why it's Viber activation fail or how can you fix this problem? So some method you can use or maybe your problem will be fixed. First of all, you need to Viber verification when we done activation. We use our mobile number. It's we need to enter a country code. Okay, sometime we don't enter a country code and then we are facing issue because of the our number was not getting. So you need to first of all get the country code with your number. Second one, you need to update your application. You haven't updated Viber application, you just need to up to date your Viber application. So you can also update your Viber so your problem will be fixed. And next step was you need to the uh, clear data, clear storage of the Viber application or clear cache. Okay, go to app manager or app notification, there is search for Viber application and you just need to clear data. If you see clear storage, click on here and also clear storage. Okay, the process was done. You need to just open it and fill all information right. When you fill all information right, your problem will be fixed.